I have read hundreds of villa listings in the past few weeks, and almost none of them make you fall in love. It's a tragic waste of potential. Hi, I am Agatha and this is Alma de la Casa. Over the past few weeks, I've lost count of how many Airbnb listings I have gone through. I use AI to help me with this analysis, by the way, no secret there. And no, I don't blindly trust everything it tells me, but honestly, we complement each other really well. And after going through so many, a pattern started jumping out at me. It's not just villa owners either. I see the exact same thing with luxury agencies, but let's talk about owners today. There are basically two ways people get this wrong. Some go completely dry, square meters, number of rooms, kilowatts, and that's it. Nothing that actually makes you feel anything. And then others swing to the opposite extreme. They write so much that the actual magic gets buried somewhere near the end, almost as an afterthought. The one thing that makes this specific villa special is simply lost. And half the time, the reader never even gets there. They have already scrolled on. The photos, though, honestly, that part's usually get great. You can tell owners invest real money into good photography. But even there, I keep seeing the same issue. There is no flow, no story guiding you through the house. The most breathtaking spot often isn't even photographed. It just gets a passing mention in the text somewhere. So the photos and the description end up telling two completely different stories. And it's not just smaller listings either. I know someone working as an agent for a global luxury real estate company, and she told me they actually use a dedicated AI or translation software to write these descriptions. And in one of them, I found a pretty serious translation error, the kind that could genuinely be misread in a way that changes the meaning of the listing. For a luxury property, that's really not something you can afford. So as much as I love what AI can do, and I use it myself, it can never replace human attention. Someone still has to actually read, catch, and feel it. And here is the part I really want you to sit with. There is actual science behind why this matters, even for a multi-million euro property. The sentence you read twice, the one that echoes in your mind, that's the one that sticks. That is what triggers a feeling, pulls up a memory, and opens up a deep longing. That, yes, I could actually see myself here moment. That's where love at first sight comes from. And yes, that's true for a luxury villa too. So please don't underestimate a listing description. Don't underestimate a photo sequence. This is the entry point, the very first step where someone stops being just a curious visitor and starts becoming an owner or a tenant. If this resonates, please subscribe, and if you think someone else should see it, share it, drop a like. And if you would like to reach out, all my contact details are right there in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.